Story time with Miss Sherwin starts now. Story time with Miss Sherwin starts now. Sit up straight and listen closely. Look at the pictures, read along. Story time with Miss Sherwin starts now. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Story Time with Mrs. Sherwin. Today I have two guest hosts. You may recognize them from Mo Willems' Elephant and Piggie books. This is Gerald, the elephant. Hi, boys and girls. And here is Piggy, who's so excited to be with us. Yippee! Elephant and Piggy are good friends. Mwah! And they are going to help read the story today called There is a Nest on Your Head. That's not what the book is called. The book is called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. He wrote my books too. Hey, boys and girls, Pigeon here. Don't forget to look for me at the end of the book. I'm hiding on the last page. Wait for it. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. For your assignment today, you will need a reading buddy. One of you will play Piggy, and the other person gets to be the elephant. You will need to go back to the beginning of the story and press mute. Now it's your turn to read and act out the parts. Those pink word bubbles go to the piggy lines, and the gray word bubbles are for the elephant. Have fun acting out the story on your own. When you're done, join me in singing our farewell song. So long, farewell to you, my friend. So long, farewell, until we meet again. It's been great to read and sing together, but now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friend. So long, farewell, until we meet again. See you next time.